Away masakanus, away Kaapstad en away aan al my colored broers en sisters. X, kay nou. Terug met nog 'n reaction. William, last KRM. Youngster CPT, die goat, die myth, the man, homself. Pa, so, ek het like gesien hier op Instagram. Ek weet nie as William op pa nie, maar ek dink Youngs, wat ek al gesê het van Youngster op Insta, ek dink die ouwe se pa. Congratulations, goat. Wat kykie, soos ek altyd sê, gaat u nog julle tyd vir jy, mossie? Styf stryd in die dingen, man. Oh.
Right, chop that shit up.
Gaat ons.
Yeah, prat var bed, hands kom ie pa. When I call your name, baby girl say ra. Hey, I'm the realest in the game, donna das what's up. Yeah, prat var bed, hands kom ie pa. Hey, kom ie pa. Prat var bed.
Daai was hy like popular nie. Ek weet nie daar hy sê dieselfde tyd soos ekie. Ek wag vir Youngster.
Hands kom ie pa. That's right, that's right, that's right. Pa. Yeah, prat var bed, hands kom ie pa. I got 2 kids. Yeah, feature white rock with me, she not stupid.
Okay, wacht.
Yeah.
Ik het echt slim wacht. Hij gaat beginnen rappen zo. Laat ons zo gereed krijgen wat hij te zeggen. En hij is op haar. Hij het nog gezegd.
I got the full clip. She got a booty. Yeah, she ain't like one of you ladies who smell it like sushi. Yes, yes, yeah. William, let's carry him. Nobody better than I am. Yeah, I was thinking about my babies when I was busy grinding in the US. Yeah,
die oude flow, die oude pocket.
Vest with a pen, gotta come from Ben. He was talking about girls, but me, I want the money in the bank. Big name, Roberto. Mama says she want Pedros. I'm the one who made it possible, head of south that was showing jalapenos. In my village, I'm a hero. There's a lot of jealous people. If you think about it, we all equal. But William Les is too special. I got buff guys, summer side. This life is a do or die, whatever.
Julle sien die ding is, ek dink hy like het homself geset om te rap. So ek verwag nie nog baie van hom nie. So is like is okay. Hy kan dit met hy doen sy ding. Maar ek verwag nie van hom om te rap soos ander rappers, claim hulle rappers, maar bring niks tot die tafel. Die tafel is leeg. As net boingies en wat praat ek? Die slegste meals wat kan provide word, kos en blikkies wat hulle na die tafel toe bring. Die Youngster, julle gaat nou luister wat maak die goat.
You gotta pay the price. Chai. I never ever wanna rap lies. My color lady got thick thighs. I love her by her though she shy. I hope she knows she must see pie. Yeah, prat var bed, hands kom ie pa. When I call your name, baby girl say ra. I'm the realest in the game, donna das what's up. Yeah, prat var bed, hands kom ie pa. Kom ie pa.
Kom Youngster.
Prat var bed, hands kom ie pa.
Kom Youngster.
Prat var bed, hands kom ie pa.
Early stages of grey hair, growing up in an age where we use cheat codes and don't play fair. So I'm a single zaddy daddy daycare, showing middle finger to my ex-wife, and that's blunt humor like a bread knife. I'm still living my best life with shitty nappies and wet wipes. My small man, that's my Frodo Baggins, so I'm popo smelling, watching Coco Melon. It ain't no telling if you'll know his spelling or be dope with rapping, but I won't imagine. I'll just teach him well enough to be a felon.
But we dope at rapping, brother. Julle gaat lang vat om te mets by die ouwens wat die ding doen. Meer as net vir die is.
Check for scammers and what people selling. He must know the ghettos and the evil dwellings and the reason why his mother keep on yelling. My son's a bundle of such joy. TikTok is curfew for young boys. You played out just like my son's toys. I heard your rap songs just noise, so keep up, slow down, legit.
I heard your rap songs is just noise.
flag. Your ego too big, a red flag. If you dope, I'm tuck, a myth lab. My son, I'm your stepdad. Just net I know my daddy was a lady killer, now it's so ironic. I'm a babysitter staring in the mirror, seeing baby pictures, and my dad jokes ain't that bad. Great like your granddad's, it's old grey and geroes. You look like you smoke truth, you're my impossible.
Yo, die emphasis op hy P, né? Die emphasis op hy laaste woord. Usually is like wanneer like jou ma se en dan ieder sinds hulle die woord of like gebruik iets anders net vir creative purposes. Die man het dit gesê, like straight uit van die bors af. Jou ma en pasen. So al 2 ouers. Yo, daai gaat seker vir hulle reunite as hulle opgebreek het. En youngster het gesê ons, you? Jaar.
Red hands call me pa. When I call your name, baby girl say right. I'm the realest in the game, don't know that's what's up. Yeah, Brad var bed hands call me pa. Call me pa. Yeah, Brad var bed hands call me pa. Call me pa. Yeah, Brad var bed hands call me pa.
Wow. Okay. Wat gaat dus nog verder gaan? Okay. Los die beat voor mij. Ik heb van jullie gezegd dat die is weer hier dat oors gaat draaien. Jaren. Tel op voor die brozen. Tel op voor die meiden op die corners. Alles geroekne. Kijk hier. Vrijva binnenwarm. Ik zie om te... Oké, weet je wat? Zat het niet daar stop. Youngster CPT, William, last KRM, pa. A wise man young... Oké, wacht. A wise man young said. Yo ma en pa sub. Yo. Youngster? Uncle youngster, wat gaat aan? Dit was altijd hy gewees, man. So, kyk hier, die was een nice streek gewees. Ik moet net sê, het was een nice streek gewees. Niks over the top of tegen lekkie, but it was nice. Geniet jullie nacht of dag verder. En op die noot, Kano X signing out.